Welcome to Fostoria, Ohio, where two CSX lines and one Norfolk Southern line cross to create the Iron Triangle, home to a large railfanning park. We're not waiting long before our first train arrives, a Norfolk Southern local freight. The train consists of a few hopper cars and tank cars, along with one steel coil car, hauled by a pair of SD40-2s. The train comes to a stop on the Norfolk Southern track of the triangle, between the two crossings with CSX, so as not to block either of them. Unfortunately, it stopped where it was still triggering the signal, saying that it was occupying the crossing, so it had to move forward another car length to allow the crossings to be free for CSX trains. Unsurprisingly, a few minutes later, a CSX intermodal train comes into view on the southern track of the triangle. This is a CSX main line across the eastern half of the country. Once the CSX train has cleared the crossing, the Norfolk Southern local continues on west. As soon as it clears the diamonds, another CSX train comes into view on the main. This one is led by CSX number 1776, a special Armed Forces Heritage Unit.
I guess it is.
It's leading an eastbound manifest freight.
Apparently.
Finally, a train arrives on the third leg of the triangle. This train is a southbound from the Toledo area, turning to go east on the main line. Judging from all the auto rack cars, I'm guessing this train came from Detroit. The next train is basically doing the opposite. It's traveling east on the main line and is turning here to go north toward Toledo. That connecting track is getting a lot of work today. Here comes another train, south from Toledo, heading west on the main line. Standing in the shade of the old B&O caboose on display, we see another CSX intermodal train heading west. After a couple hours of CSX action, we finally get another Norfolk Southern train. This one a westbound intermodal, moving pretty slowly. let the train's slow speed fool you. Those FedEx containers are a dead giveaway that this is a high-priority train. This lovely Kansas City Southern unit is far away from home rails. It probably brought a Kansas City Southern freight train to a Norfolk Southern yard in Chicago via trackage rights, and then got put on this Norfolk Southern train as one of the next available locomotives. Thanks for coming along on this virtual visit to Fostoria, Ohio. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to let me know with a like, maybe a subscription, or comment below. I definitely recommend visiting in person if you're ever in the area. For now, though, thanks for watching, and happy railfanning!